If you're looking for a simple, research-backed approach to improve your health, lose weight, and feel more energetic, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into intermittent fasting, a powerful eating strategy that has gained worldwide attention. Unlike diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, and science shows that timing can make all the difference. Studies reveal that giving your body regular breaks from food allows it to repair itself, improve metabolism, and even lower the risk of chronic diseases. Let's explore how it works and the most popular methods. What is intermittent fasting? In simple terms, intermittent fasting, or IF, is cycling between periods of eating and fasting. During fasting, your body isn't burning food for energy. Instead, it starts using stored fat and focuses on cellular repair. This isn't about starving yourself. It's about creating a healthy rhythm that gives your digestive system a rest. Popular methods of intermittent fasting in the 16-to-8 method. This is the most common. You fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., then fast until the next day. 2. The 5-to-2 method. Here, you eat normally for 5 days a week, and on 2 days, you reduce calories to around 500 to 600. 3. The Eat-Stop-Eat method. This involves a full 24-hour fast once or twice a week. For example, fasting from dinner one day until dinner the next day. Health benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight loss. Fasting helps the body burn stored fat more efficiently. Improved metabolism. Research shows it may improve insulin sensitivity, lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Cellular repair. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Brain health. Some studies suggest intermittent fasting may boost memory and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Is intermittent fasting for everyone? While IF has many benefits, it's not suitable for everyone. Pregnant women, people with certain medical conditions, or anyone with a history of eating disorders should consult a doctor before trying it. Final thoughts. Intermittent fasting isn't just a trend. It's a lifestyle shift backed by science. Whether you want to lose weight, boost energy, or support long-term health, this method can be a game-changer when done correctly. Start small, stay consistent, and listen to your body. And as always, check with a healthcare professional before making major changes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple science-backed health tips, and share your intermittent fasting experience in the comments below.